Hello everyone, I'm Ashwarya Kapoor with you. Here is a quick update on the nationwide situation of coronavirus. The cases of COVID-19 in our country are steadily rising. 1,251 people have tested positive, 49 people have died. And Tuesday saw the biggest rise in the number of cases. 227 fresh cases were reported on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the government has formed an empowered committee that will focus on research and development and will also coordinate with other agencies like the scientific agencies, the regulatory bodies, as well as private organizations to work on countering COVID-19. Meanwhile, amidst all the bad news that we are hearing, there's some good news because an elderly couple from Kerala has now recovered from COVID 19. This 93-year-old man and his 88-year-old wife had tested positive for COVID 19, but they have now recovered. They are virus free. However, they are still being observed by the doctors. Meanwhile, news from the national capital now. Close to 2,100 people have been evacuated from a building in Nizamuddin in the national capital after 128 people tested positive for COVID 19. Remember, flouting all the social distancing norms that have been issued by the government, these people had been staying in Markaz Nizamuddin in the national capital, which is the headquarters of the Tablighi Jamaat group. Now, the Home Ministry has told the states to track down all these people, the Tablighi members who had travelled to all parts of the country after a two-day gathering in March end. The government says that 2,137 members of the Tablighi group have so far been identified. They are being examined and they are going to be medically tested as well. Remember, Tablighi Jamaat is a Islamic missionary movement that was set up in 1926, and it has members across the world. And this gathering in March end was not only attended by members from our country but from members from across the world as well. Meanwhile, in some other news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday held a telephonic conversation with French President Emmanuel Macron, and the two leaders discussed the domestic and international aspect of the COVID-19 crisis and also underlined the importance of global collaboration and solidarity in the present situation, in the present crisis that we are facing. And the two nations, India and France, have also agreed to share important information on measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19. So those were all the updates on the nationwide situation of coronavirus. Thanks for watching.